Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm going to show you all a very simple, easy, 100% natural and homemade shampoo and face wash. So first let's start with shampoo. So the very first ingredient we need is fermented rice water. It is an excellent conditioner and it just smooths out our hair and gives a nice shine to our hair. So we need not even use a separate conditioner. For that, all we need to do is just take rice water and keep it aside for overnight, and next day morning it would look something like this. So it is fermented, and the fermented rice water is best for hair. And next ingredient we need is multani mitti. Multani mitti is a very good cleanser. It helps to remove all the oil and dirt from hair, as well as it helps to remove any dandruff or split ends. So in that way multani mitti is very good. Next thing we need is green gram powder. So all we have to do is just take green gram. This would be there at our home for sure, no? And just grind it in mixer. Make sure that it is fine paste. That is something we should keep in mind, else that small little particle would get stuck in our hair, so it would be little difficult to remove. Just make sure that it is fine powder, or else you can just buy this green gram powder as it is from market. So let's get started. First let's prepare this shampoo. Just take that fermented rice water, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of multani mitti. Here I have taken 1 cup of fermented rice water. To that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of multani mitti and 2 tablespoons of green gram powder. Mix it really well. Make sure that there is no lumps at all. So it is as per your hair length. You can just take adjust the quantity. So since I have got long hair, I would be taking this much. So if you have short hair, just take 1 teaspoon of both the ingredients and mix it with a little bit of rice water. But then make sure that it is kind of a pasty consistency, so that you can apply to your hair easily. Also it just sticks to your hair, and also it would be less messy. So for that, just make sure that it is in a good pasty consistency, and our homemade shampoo is ready. And next we are gonna make a natural face wash. So this is the face wash I use every single day morning. So first we need to take multani mitti, the same multani mitti which we have taken for shampoo, and also green gram powder. So just mix both these together and just put it in a container and store it in your bathroom, so that it is easier. Just mix both these together. Make sure that you do not make a large quantity. Just make it in small batches. I mean just for 2 weeks or 3 weeks maximum, and you can just keep it in your bathroom. So whenever you need, you can you can use it every single day. Now let's see how we can use this as shampoo. Just apply to your hair or your scalp, as well as to your hair evenly. Just part your hair and just apply this hair pack or this homemade shampoo to your hair as well as scalp. Just spread it evenly. Make sure that your scalp and your hair is completely covered with this hair pack, and then wash it off with plain water. So I haven't applied a lot of oil, because as you all know, this is natural product, so it's not gonna remove all the oil. If we are applying a lot of oil to our hair, then this is not gonna work. But then if you are applying only little bit of oil, or else if your hair is just greasy, you can apply this and it's gonna work perfectly. So I have applied only little bit of oil to my hair, and I have applied this this homemade shampoo, and I'm gonna keep it aside for just 10 or 15 minutes, and then wash it off with plain water. If you want, you can keep it for more time. Now if you want to use it as a face wash, what you can do is just take a little bit of this product to your palm, and then mix it with regular normal water, or else you can even use rose water, whatever you prefer. Like, since I'm gonna use it as a face pack, I'll be using this rose water and mixing it up really well, and when it turns out to be a pasty consistency, I'll be applying it to my face and keeping it for just 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, and just wash it off. Usually when I apply this as a face wash, what I do is I just mix it with the normal water and just scrub it to my face and wash it right away. It perfectly removes all the oiliness to my face. It just gives a nice glow to my face. So I really love this as a face wash. Just wash it off with plain water, and then I'll just show you guys how my hair looks after washing with this shampoo. It hasn't removed I mean all the oil, but definitely it has cleaned my scalp and hair. I really loved the result. I have been using this for a very long time. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.